How you going? The Summerland Giant Pumpkin Festival was on today, so I thought I'd go up, have a bit of a look, see what's going on. There was a lot of bloody big pumpkins there. No record holders, so... But anyway, some big pumpkins. Plus, they had some bloody nice cars on show. Here's one you don't see very often. Bolwell Nagari. My favourite of all times, the RS2000, and other beautiful things. So I've seen these wonderful Aussie muscle cars. Maybe think, yeah, okay, make up an Aussie dinner tonight. No, I don't need pumpkin. Nice lamb sanger. So I got some lamb offcuts from the supermarket, pretty cheap, bit fatty, bit bony, that's alright. Cut off the bone, the excess fat, chuck in a bit of onion, fry it up, a bit of oil, salt and pepper. Got some flatbreads instead of sliced bread, something a bit different, make a wrap. Cheese, of course, always got to have cheese in a lamb sanger. Spinach, a bit of green so your mum doesn't get cranky, and of course chili sauce. So heat up your oil, get it nice and hot, chuck in your lamb and onion and get it cooking. Bit of salt, bit of pepper, and give it a stir up and fry. Takes a little while, not too long. If you're cooking inside, on the stove, you'd be a bit quicker. I think the stove outside is a little bit on the slow side. Leave that away, cook. It'll be ready every day. It doesn't really take too long. Lamb's cut up pretty smooth. Bit of moisture comes out of the lamb on the slow stove, but it's alright to keep cooking until that's gone. So the onion nice and soft, and got a bit of colour. It off. I'm putting it into a plastic tub. I'm taking it inside. Too many flies outside. Get away from the mud and the slush. Eat in comfort. So grab your flatbread. Stick a bit of cheese on it. Baby spinach, which got a bit frozen in my fridge. Spoon on the lamb and the onion. Put on as much as you want, as much as you can wrap up comfortably and fit in your mouth. And chili sauce is a good sauce, this one. Let's roll it up into a wrap. And there you have it, ready to eat. So, let's have a go at it. Big bite. Ah, yeah, it's good. Lamb, onion, spinach, cheese, chili sauce. Absolutely fantastic. You're gonna love it. It's cheap. Easy to make, quick to cook, bloody nice. It's a beauty. And of course, any lamb that you got left, gonna be great in a jaffle tomorrow morning for breakfast. Anyway, that's it for now. Catch you later.